this background you see is totally fake, and in this video I will show you how to create this fake background. The first thing you do is to shoot your video on a plain wall. You can see this wall is plain, and but this is my home studio. I'm not going to be using my actual background. I'll be using this plain wall to create the fake background. Okay, so let's see how it works. So after recording this video like this, so let me say something. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunday Abegunde. I make videos about freelancing and other tech updates I feel like making videos on. Another option is this. I can go to Adobe Firefly website. So I take a screenshot of this particular frame. So I'm actually shooting this video in vertical format. So I would just take a screenshot of it, take it to Firefly. Then from Firefly, I can make the picture horizontal and make Firefly generate the side aspect of the video that I don't have in the actual video for me. Once that is generated, I can come to put it under the video, changing the video dimension to landscape. That's 16 by 9. That's the landscape format. I can replace it so it will not look like the video does not have a background on this side. Then you would observe that I'm trying not to get my hand out of the frame. Look at it. So you can see the background is fake. So I try to ensure I stay in the middle and my gesticulation does not get out of the frame. So I can move this way. So I have an idea of how it's supposed to look. Then after doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into CapCut. So now we have our video. So once the video is here, we drag it. Okay. So now we change the ratio to 16 by 9. Although we shot in vertical format, we want it in 16 by 9. Okay, so this is our video. And what we will do now, I don't need these parts. So I need just this part. So now I have a clean video. So I use CapCut to remove my background. Select this, go to cut out, auto cut out. So what CapCut is going to do is CapCut is going to remove this background completely. So it's processing. So while it's processed, let us go and search for the background we want to use. I need to go to a platform like freepik.com. Note that you can use any platform. Let's open firefly.adobe.com/generate/input. We are going to need that. We might, it's not necessary. I will show you something else with that. But let's finish the first process. So you look for a beautiful YouTube backdrop that has a lot of light or the kind of setup you want to use. Just come to this search icon and search for YouTube Studio with lights, with neon lights. So it depends on what kind of studio you want to achieve. So I need the one that doesn't have a person. This would not look realistic. You can also use AI to generate this. That's one option. Okay, so let's use AI to generate background. I like to use Leonardo.ai since it is free. I bring the image into Firefly. So what I'm going to do in Firefly now is to erase this part. I'm erasing this part. So I want the Firefly AI is going to study the other part of the surviving part of the image and use it to generate this part I am cleaning. So I can give it a specific instruction here, but since I don't have any instruction, I'll just let it figure it out by itself. So I'll click generate. Now let's check the image we've generated so far. Okay, so back to CapCut. We select the image, drag it into CapCut. And now we drag it into the media file. Then from the media file, we can bring it to the timeline. Then we extend it so that it can reach the whole duration of the video. Now we need to adjust the image we already have cut out by CapCut. We are adjusting it to match with the background, so it will not be super obvious that it is fake. So I'm dragging this effect. So this effect applies to the image and to the background. So sort of it gives the image and the background a similar vibe. This is it without the effect. This is it with the effect. Let me see if I can. Okay, the effect affects both of them, so it makes it blend in better. I'm going to export this in 4K resolution, so you can see it's on 4K. Why I'm doing that is because after I export it, I'm still going to zoom in, and I don't want to lose the quality of the picture. I would still export it at 1080, but I would have it in 10K. So now let's preview the file we just created. So let's see the final result. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunday Abegunde, a top-rated plus Upwork freelancer. I teach people how to make money online. And if you're interested in making money online through the platforms like Upwork, please subscribe to this channel. And I'm going to be making other useful utility video even for non-freelancers. Videos like this one going forward. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.